Man out. That's Let's see what the numbers maybe we got 2 minutes. Maybe provide us an opportunity to catch oh no. No way I would have held through all of that though, just for a couple extra points. Okay. Watch be careful. Let me see. This could form a head and shoulders on the 2000 tick though. Oh my gosh. Look at these orders on the the Dom is looking even like messed up. Like they don't know what to do. Orders all over the place. The freaking what you call it? The okay, here we go. Whoa, shoot! Oh my gosh, no! No! Oh my god! Yo! Yo! Oh, look at that revenge drop though. Sheesh! More all-time highs. Ah! No, too soon. Don't do it. Reconsider. Yeah, hit the targets. You went back long? Oh, I don't know, bro. Oh, that was shiesty. Nasty work in Q. $150. Oh, there's a lot of heat up there. They trying to ooh. Oh yeah, I saw that. They were taking profits right there, but are the bulls gonna come back and buy it? I know. If it's any sign, they better. Yeah, I gotta take smart entries. I can't, but I feel terrible missing out on the good stuff. Dang, the gaps is like everywhere too. Like, shoot. You right. I could go along with the micros. Actually, shit. Not playing around with this just in case we get a vicious drop. Just in case we get a vicious drop. Actually, 15 minute, 5 minute. Mm-mm-mm. All right, where could this thing bottom out at? Dude, maybe 102 again? Or does it dip in, find support down here? Just in case, I'm gonna put it down here. Put it down there just in case. But I wanna see something, I wanna see. That was crazy though. She said, "Yeah, go long, go ahead, go for it." And I was like, "Yeah, but I ain't." How much commissions do I have so far? Oh, crap. Close that and bring it back up. $17 in commissions on 3 trades. Jeez. Ah, damn, man. What? Mm-hmm. That's what I'm scared of. They got the Bears got the momentum right now. But I feel like the Bulls might want it more. Damn. Yeah, the Bulls might want this more. Okay, what kind of pattern is this? Let me see. Let me clear the boards real quick. Who? Oh. Say. I was about to say, not I. I knew the Bulls wanted it more. I knew they. I knew they wanted it more. Uh-huh. Yeah. Leaving her for CL. Oh, it stopped just short of 90. Everything is so it's overextended right there. You're right, CL is the move. How do I get that to Oh, because this stupid thing's in the way. Give me a second. I know. It's like, okay, where do we find the top? Seeing what? Just want to jump in something. You gonna You think? Uh oh. Uh oh. 200. 96. Yo, she does that. That's nasty work. That you shouldn't speak. Stick to your TED Talks. Stick to your TED Talks. We get to, man, we got a high of 194. They still talking. we're, we're number one. Yeah. Well, yeah, I gave him his props. I went on his page and commented. I was like, yo, I said, you get the respect for even signing up and doing it, because unlike some people over here whining on Twitter, just talking and whining. run up. Hmm. Oh shoot, I forgot. Taylor, gang. Pull up ES real quick. See what they talking about on ES. Yo, what's the flow? What's the options flow looking like? Oh, NQ. Oh, NQ. No. Ah, Q. $15. NQ. Alright, let me check my other stuff here. Hmm. You know what? Let me to this other account here too. I am tripping. Take that. Get all that buy action coming in. Yeah, the Bulls, they're not gonna be played with today. They're not yeah. They are not to be played with today. It's probably like a buy the dip type of day. Any dips, yeah. Get in on any dips. Not to be played with today. Okay. Yeah. Two on this. Make it do what it do, baby. No, they want to defend 200, but you know the Bulls don't care nothing about that. They want to go after it. They want to go get it. Ah. And then watch you pump up. Ah. No. Yep, and there's the fall. There's the fall. 23% bounce. Oops. It's 40 points. 42. Okay, so that came at 9 o'clock. You think they make an attempt at VWAP? And then bounce there? What? Man, I just killed the momentum over there. It's back to break even. Alright. Meanwhile, CL's at $80. God. CL. She does. It's the truth. You ain't wrong. It's today, Friday. Okay, what did Bitcoin do and all of that? Okay, it dropped a little bit. Freaking Riot, you better. Big Bear. Come on, man. I want to see a rally to $4. Rally on up to $4. Uh, damn, if I'd only kept my long, bro. That would have been a gamble though. Super gamble. Yeah, from way earlier. That pop though. It's like sheesh. Ooh-wee. Boom, 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 boom. Hold on. Let me pull up this other account. Are we gonna work today? Okay. Let me pull up this other account real quick. There you go. There you go. There you go, baby. Big Bear. I see you. Big Bear, I think, got earnings next week. We saw what happened to Soundhound. Hopefully the same thing happens to Big Bear. That way I can catch these highs and close out of my options. That would be nice. Yeah, it just slowed down like out of nowhere all of a sudden. Do you uh yeah, because I took that loss. Yeah, I'm down like 800 right now. And we'll see. Also trying to get here. Taylor. Alrighty. Yeah. Yep, yep. It's just that period where everything slows down. Been doing that lately, right before 10 o'clock. Usually it's supposed to do that at 10. But now they're like, nah. Mhm. I knew you was gonna say that as it started pumping. I want my target, baby. You know they gonna want to break 200 though. Oh, Muhammad ain't in nothing. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Who said that? Daffy. Yeah. Say congratulations. You need your own channel. That's funny but true at the same time. Like, yo, that is really amazing on ES because I've done it a couple times, but yeah. Yeah, like literally maybe two, maybe three times tops, but you get that on NQ almost daily. Yeah. What? Sharm locking in profit? I don't believe it. It's a new Sharm. It's a new Oh, forgot my water. I'm like, I wonder why I'm so parched. I know, like, dude, dude, this is your problem. Do I dare add? $85. Man, I want to see my 210 target first. Dude. I said it this morning, or did I say it yesterday or this morning? I can't remember. But I'm like, man, this could get to 210, maybe even 250. I know I said 250 this morning. ES is looking kind of clean over there. 12 points, 13 point. Like what? Oh, that's never mind. I'm looking at the. Oh, you pulled it up. Pay the commissions in Q. shoot, it's looking like a damn. Like what? Oh. That's crazy. Yeah, it's kind of boring now. We just basically played a waiting game. That's, I took my long. I flipped back to micros. I took my long on the personal account at 161. I've just been sitting in there ever since. And then on this other account, I got a little bit too anxious. It's basically playing around my break even right now. I should have hopped in London like I said I was gonna do. I told you that yesterday. I said I'm hopping in London, but I didn't. I didn't though. uh, we are March, baby. We in March, baby. Today's March 1st. I hope that big news gonna change the game. Top Step X better not be it. Better not be your news. Man, y'all need to chill. Yeah. Yeah. We got so many platforms. We don't need another platform to trade on. That's not what we need. We need better rules. Shoot, better rules, better payouts, whatever. Yeah. All right, baby. Exactly. Cause that's what people want. All right, I'm out my first target, half. I think we go. I think we go on this. They hit. Yeah, my first target was 94. I'm out. Then my next one is in the 200s though. Took half off. Yeah, my other account on my take profit account, I got in a little aggressive. My entry was 180. A little aggressive. Yeah, it's not gonna be your true average. Yeah, look at this. I'm going, should I clear it now? I'm up 3,400. 34. Yeah, I want 210, but I got it at 209. Hey, I'm out. I took it off. I took it off. And then on here, I don't know. I took it off on the take profit account. I'm still in, maybe I put this trail here. I don't know. 204. That was $86 in these micros. Mhm.
CPI, and they want to drop all this stuff on high volatile news days.
Mhm.
Trying to be slick, but
Yeah.
actually trying to pull in one of Apex moves. Trying to get into something, baby. I'm trying to get into something. I don't want to put too much risk on this because we are at highs, dude. We are at highs. But I do want to put one more contract in for a target of 210.
Shoot, I added in when it dropped to 192.
Ah,
I added in.
ah.
I'm like, the Bulls got this. They just taking their time, sweet time, but they got this.
Yeah, they got it.
They got this.
But yeah, they would lose so much money if they do that micro thing. That's why I feel that they're taking their sweet time with it, because that would be a big business hit. They might actually increase their prices on their combines after a while if they do that. So it's one of those things: you want to keep the cheap prices, or do you really want the micros? Because on the business side, I really can't see them surviving both or taking a hit on both sides. I don't see it.
Come on, give me my 210, baby. 10 more points, baby.
Yeah. Nah, we've been to Vegas, live trader. They give you alcohol. They make sure you fucked up when you went that damn. When you at the casino. I went to casino when COVID was finally letting up. Me when my brothers went out. It was actually around my birthday, and I got this free. You know those little timeshares that they like to give you. Man, they gave me a 5-star hotel out there in Vegas. They try to butter me up to buy one of their cheap ass piece of shit timeshares. You damn right I took it. You damn right I went into that 5-star hotel and told them no. And then the lady tried to be mad at me like they did me a favor. Like, you ain't did me no damn favor.
They always go, yeah. They
I
basically
paid for this, like.
Yeah, they basically wasting your time at them little thing, them timeshare things. I'm like, man, just give me my gift so I can get on up out of here. Stop wasting my time.
Like, what the hell are you trying to get aggressive with? I said no, goddammit. Said no. I don't want your piece of shit timeshare. But man, they gave me a 5-star hotel. I'm talking about the penthouse suite, had 3 rooms, had the curtains that slide out, had a city view and everything. Try to butter me up. I still said no.
Butter them up.
But yeah, it was a nice trip out to Vegas, and yeah, me and my brother sat at the slots. They had somebody come out talking about a plate full of anything you want, alcohol, anything you want. You want anything? Kept coming back and asking, "You sure you don't want it?" And my brother took advantage of it. I was just watching over him so he don't do nothing foolish. He said, "I'm about to drink these free drinks they're giving out." But they like to give them free alcohol at Vegas, man. They love that.
Yeah.
So they're trying to set you up. Hell yeah, they are. They're definitely trying to set you up. There we go, baby. There we go. You still in this long, baby? You still in this long?
I'm still in it, baby. Let it ride, baby. I pushed my 210 target up. I was like, nah, we going higher. I want 220. Shit. I want 220.
I want 230 now.
We getting greedy. We turning into pigs. Let's not get slaughtered though.
I'll trail this, man. I'll trail it.
Yeah, I'm throw that trail in. We turning into pigs. We turning into straight pigs. Give me that. All right.
I mean, we trending up though.
They got me out at 216. I'll take it. Now I got one more. I got a runner. I want 250 now. Give me 250, baby. I want 250.
Hey, dude, we could possibly get there, man.
Yes.
Man. Nah, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna wait for that pullback. I'm gonna wait for the pullback. I'm gonna wait for it.
All right, yeah. I'm all out. I'm all out. I'm all
out too. All right, baby. I mean, it was tough, but we got there, baby.
We got there.
It was tough.
It was a sleepy ride. Step up. That's all I'm saying, though. I don't like taking the stairs. Give me the elevator up or down.
Yep. I think we'll see what happens at the. Man, they're gonna probably still keep going up, man. You know what? I'm trying to get into something now. This is top.
They keeping Snowflake down. What are y'all doing? We had all-time highs on the NQ. Are you selling out of Snowflake? Damn it.
Alfred was like aim for 250 and then 300. You know what? I'm gonna do it, man. Fuck it.
Damn, look at this. 220.
There's only one micro contract.
220
baby.
hit.
It's only one micro contract, baby.
We already got my first target of 210. Damn, they're unstoppable right now. They might actually stop short.
Like, no, that's too aggressive.
They might stop short of 250, to be honest. Because, that's what people
Think so?
want. That's what people want. They might do something dirty at like 48, 49. If we get up there, I could see that happening.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep my target with it. We'll see. I'm gonna keep my target at 41.
You got to
Because
like
if they're gonna
front
probably
runner.
front run 50.
Yeah,
They're gonna front run 50.
You got a front run. Yeah, man. All right, in other news, I got to check on Bitcoin and all that jazz and see what's going on with that, because that affects my riot.
That's crazy that Bitcoin is in all-time highs. When we started at 10K, 10, 13K with Bitcoin. And people was talking about this going to 10K. It's going back to 9K.
Yeah.
I bet all the people that sold right now wish they didn't.
Like I said, my first
Just imagine
purchase,
loading a boat at 13K.
my first
13K.
purchase was 3K at 3,300 at the lows. When it
Really?
that was like years ago though. When they were talking about, it's going back to 1,000, I'm like, nah, it's the bottom, baby. I started buying at like 32, 3,300.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just kept dollar cost averaging. And then I got to work. It was at 5,000. When I was at work, I was trying to tell them, hey, yo, y'all better stack up, get in. They all laughed at me. I was like, okay. I wasn't tripping though. I was like, okay, you can laugh. I'm not getting in. Oh, how's your? They would come up to me. How's your magic internet? How's your magic internet money going? I'm like, okay, okay.
That sounds like some old guys. That sounds like some old guys that trade gold. That's what that sounds like. Some old guys that trade gold.
How's your magic internet money going? I was like, okay. I'm just stacking. I'm stacking up. Oh yeah, it did drop back down on that super COVID drop. It did drop back into 3Ks. Yep. But I'm talking before that. I was in it before that drop. So it was like, what was that? 2017, 18 maybe? After the initial run up in 2017. I think it was it ran up to like 17K and then or something like that and then dropped. That's when I was buying. And like I said, I tried to tell him, I'm like, bro, get in this. You'll thank me in a couple years. You'll thank me. And you're not gonna get rich overnight. Like, but you'll thank me. Okay, Yeah. And then I get Facebook messages. Hey, so about that, don't come at me now. It's too late now.
Block.
You want to try to buy it when it's 20, 30, 40K. Like, what? I told you.
Yeah.
Told you back when it was 5K.
I thought this was actually a joke, but people actually tune in to wherever Kramer is at and actually take investing advice from him. And that's because he used to be a fund manager.
Yeah.
No one said he was a good one. Well, actually, I really don't even know his history or nothing, but
yeah,
people actually tune into that and take investment advice.
Yeah, they do. They do.
I mean, I guess you can't really be, because people do go on Reddit and take investment advice, so never mind, I take that back.
Yeah, but at the same time, yeah, they got the don't they got an ETF, the inverse Kramer ETF or something like that?
Yeah, they did open that. I wonder how much that shit is up. Because I think he was losing so much credibility that they had to was like, nah, we can't let this joke run on too much. He was right for a while.
The inverse
So we can't make you lose credibility. People stop tuning in.
The inverse Kramer ETF. Oh my gosh.
Like you're taking boomer advice when we're in the information age, dude. Like their boomer advice is no longer valid. Except for retail. I mean, anything outside of retail, nobody want to hear your boomer advice, man. We have the internet to do everything for us now, baby.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh man.
Is this a top right now?
I don't know. Well, it looks like I might be done. I didn't even ride that all the way up. I made 3,200 in the take profit account, and then
Man, I don't want to get stopped out of this, but here's what I'll do, man. I'll put this at I'll put this underneath that candle right there. We're gonna let it ride, baby. We're gonna see. It's only $2. It's only $2. I only lose 18, 19, 20. So I lose what, $12, 12, $14 on this. We'll see.
Drop.
We'll see what happens, baby.
This channel.
It says, damn, Nvidia pumped up $16. God dang. Let's look at some Nvidia. Well, shit, we already know what the Nvidia flow was gonna say. We already know, but we're gonna look anyway. We already know what it's gonna say. Okay. So let's load up some Nvidia. Man, look at that positive gamma with Nvidia. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, what is Nvidia's price right now? Okay.
This shit is at
816.
816. That's crazy.
Yeah.
And you know this shit gonna keep going higher. You know it's gonna keep going higher.
They want their $1,200 price target. $1,000 price target. That's what these analysts want.
You see it? Well, that's crazy. Okay, so they're selling calls on Nvidia, which is interesting. I wonder why they're doing that. They're selling calls and they sweeping them. They are writing calls. They are writing calls with Nvidia at 8:15. Huh. They're buying puts. I wonder if these are the look at that. Look at that, people. They're buying puts. They're buying puts and writing calls. I mean, they're selling puts right here. They're writing puts right here. But that's interesting. This says if you click on the point profit on the right side of the chart, you can change the point to ticks, percentage, P&L, etc. Are you talking about McGee? Are you talking about on? You talking about on the chart? Since y'all sleeping on Hood, he's been buying it since it was 8. I own 305 shares. Average price is $11. Where is Hood at?
It's at like 16, man. I think. I can't. Yeah, it's at 1650. I hate Hood. I hate Robinhood just because they did me so dirty with that whole GameStop situation.
Yeah.
I wasn't able to
get out of your position.
Yeah, I couldn't get out of my position, and I deleted the app. I closed out all my account, transferred all my money into Fidelity. I'm like, man, forget y'all. Damn bastards.
They're buying calls on Hood, so you good. I mean, well, they're writing calls here. They're sweeping them almost. Yeah, they're writing calls, but the gamma looks good. I mean, the structure looks good. Oh, dude, that's a double top. Okay, no wonder why they're writing calls. That's a double top. That's a double top right here. Or yeah, double top. That's not investment advice though. That is not investment advice, but that's a double top right there. No one, and they're selling calls. It's not investment advice though. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the top. And that what it looks like. It looks like that was the top. No, this is trending up, baby. I'm trying to get into some. I'm trying to get into some, baby.
I'm trying to get into some. I hate them with a passion, though. I hate Hood with a passion. And then I was like, I thought about going back, but I'm like, nah. I gotta stand on business. I gotta stand on my principles. It's the principle of the situation. Like, nah.
Yep.
Because they make it so easy. Yeah, they make it so easy to do turning everything into a game.
Should I add it to this? Should I add? I'm adding. But this is a bad place to add, though. Bad place to add. But I'm gonna put it at the bottom of this candle. I'm not gonna put too much risk on this. Because that was a horrible place to add. Horrible place. But if it works, baby. If it works, it works. Pay them commissions, baby. Pay them. But after you deleted the app, was Robinhood able to contact you afterwards? If people don't believe deleting the app, Doesn't work.
Well, I didn't owe them any money. I transferred all my money out and then deleted the app.
But they still send out "We want you back" emails. Did you get one of those?
I don't know.
No. Once you delete the app,
We want you back.
they say, "We want you back.
I want you back.
We miss you."
We miss you. We miss you and your business. Yeah. F you, Robin
Another
Hood.
45, baby. Our boy Smith is standing on business with this. Let me take some of that off. that was an aggressive ass intro. That was aggressive. Cause this looks like a double top, man. This is looking like a double top. Okay. All right. I probably might. We'll see. It's looking like a double top. It's looking like a double top. I'm gonna take. No, I can't do that.
We miss you. That's hilarious.
We miss you. We'll change. We'll change for you.
Change our
Just come
policies.
back.
Nah, that's some snake underhanded stuff. I could see if they even get penalized for it or nothing. I'm like, yo.
No, they did. They did.
Yeah, I mean they paid a fine, but that ain't no real penalty. Throw them crooks in jail. A fine is nothing to these clowns up there, these funds, and that ain't nothing. But do some jail time, some prison time.
Nah, Robinhood. The person that owns Robinhood makes money for a lot of people. They ain't putting them in jail.
Yeah.
You gotta remember that, people. I mean,
And
I know
Griffin.
it all comes down to the money you make for powerful people. That's why that FXTX guy, wherever that is, that's why he's sitting in jail right now. He lost a lot of powerful people's money. He fucked around and he found out. He got comfortable. Had somebody that don't even know how to trade, gambling with other people's money, and he thought he was gonna get away with it. He thought he was gonna get away with that.
Oh, you talking about
Now putting stop losses. Yo, I watched that stupid interview. Can't believe someone actually sat there and listened to her and took her serious. Like do you not hear what the hell she's saying? Like, why are you taking her seriously? She's not a trader. She's a gambler like the rest of us, baby.
You talk about FTX.
Talking about I don't use stop losses and trying to make it all sound all mathematical. No, shut up. You're a gambler. It's easy to gamble over people's money when it's not your own. Get the hell out of here, dude. Taking her seriously, dude.
Yeah, that was something. To have the nerve to say something like that is crazy.
That was crazy, dude. That was crazy. That was like the craziest thing.
On
Like
camera.
if I were first off, I wouldn't have been crazy enough to invest in. I mean, we understand that they're MIT students or whatever Ivy League school that they went to, but they're still kids. And I'm pretty sure the Ivy League school, especially with all these politics that they've integrated with these schools, I don't know, man. I wouldn't think that the educational level is the same, in my opinion. They're still kids. They probably never had a lot of money in their account. You see 7 zeros, 8 zeros in your account. Anybody can fall susceptible to that.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So I'm definitely not giving my money to a bunch of kids with no life experience with my money. But the Ponzi scheme did make a lot of people a lot of money, so it was good while it lasted. You hear how they was treating their employees, getting them penthouse suites and stuff like that, vacation time out the ass. They was living like kings.
Yeah, they buying them penthouses, doing cocaine and stuff.
Cocaine, orgies, and all kind of stuff. And these are the people that's managing your money. They're having orgies and stuff. Like, get the hell out of here, dude. Like, yo. Yeah, that's funny, dude. That was funny. But yeah, as soon as I saw that interview, and if I was foolish enough to invest, I would just take whatever loss I had and be like, yo, I need my money back. Cause y'all some fools.
Yeah.
Y'all fools. But yeah, that's why. I mean, honestly, I mean, he did lose people's money. They say that he's going to prison or whatever, but I don't believe that's what's going to happen. I don't think so. I'll believe it when I see it.
I stopped following the story. I think he is in prison, but I don't know what. There's different types of prisons. You know what I'm saying? You
Yeah,
got the
yeah, there is. There is. There's a documentary. There's a prison with no guards, no gates. It looks like a college university
yeah,
for white collar crimes.
yeah,
They play tennis,
yep,
basketball. They actually eat real food.
yep,
Eh, it's not the regular people prison.
yeah,
It's the you made a lot of people a lot of money, so we're gonna owe you this favor, but you just got caught. Prison.
yeah,
That's the prison that they went to.
yeah. I need to find out which prison he's in.
You said, what platform is that on? What are you talking? What platform is what on? Mad Moxie. Oh, if you're talking, you're talking about that's on Black Box Stocks. Black Box Stocks. That's where I only keep it because of the gamma levels. That's it. If they didn't have the gamma levels, I would definitely cancel that subscription. That's Black Box Stocks. They actually do have if you trade stocks, I would recommend Black Box Stocks because I'm gonna show you something that they have. I mean, it has no use for me because I don't trade no stocks, but they have this feature where where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Ah. Okay. I'll figure it out and I'll show it to you probably on the next stream. But they got this feature where they have like a whole thing of stocks of like what's being bought, unusual flow and stuff like that, and they mark out where alerts at and stuff like that. It's pretty cool, man. Just how can you tell they're writing versus selling? So it's the bid. When you see calls, so it's hold on, let me show you real quick. Let me show you. So when you see something that's bought at the bid, that's usually most often than not means that they're writing them. Get a good example. Go back to the options. So usually when you see below the bid, calls that are below the bid, that means that these are being sold. Puts below the bid or at the bid or below the bid, they're being sold. They're being bought at the ask and they're sold at the bid. So they're writing these puts. So they're writing them. This actually might. So that's 207 before the spot price. I'm trying to see if this is actually one order. I'm trying to see if this is actually them buying puts and then selling them afterwards for a profit. So they're buying puts and they're selling them for a profit. These could also be them buying puts and this could be them. Yeah, I'll have to look at this. But usually when you see this means that these are being sold.
Hey, check
Below
out
the bid, at the bid is sold. What?
check out Snowflake. I need to see some on them. I need to see snow. Ticker symbol snow.
Um.
Wonder
So what are you looking
guess.
for?
I'm looking to see if it's bullish call sweeps or if they're writing them
So
things.
I mean, it's looking like they're selling calls. They're writing them.
That ain't good.
Yeah. But this is speculation, so obviously we won't ever know what the hell they're
Because they
doing,
could have multi-leg
obviously.
strategies and stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
But just to keep it simple, keep it simple. When you see that it's bid, that means that these calls are being sold. If you see a bunch of them, it's highly likely that they're being sold. And we're at a double. Oh, I'm still on hood. Let me see. Snowflake. Damn. God dang. You buy. Oh, dude, you good, dude. You're good. What are you? You're good.
I got 200 calls and 200 and 205 calls.
Oh, actually, you know what? You might not be good.
But it's
Now that I look at it,
it's for the 15th. They expire on the 15th.
because you got this big drop in an hour. You got a what is that? This was the top.
That was earnings. Yeah, that was the earnings.
They had earnings today.
No, it was like a couple days ago.
A couple of days ago, so 232. Why'd you buy them? Why'd you buy calls?
To buy the dip.
Yo, this shit dropped like
$40.
It dropped $60.
Yeah, it dropped a lot. I know.
Like, hold on, that's 30.
They guided down.
Like 60.
They guided down. I think they changed the CEO or something like that. I don't know. But
usually, if they change the CEO, it's supposed to pump.
I thought it was gonna have the Nancy effect. But like I said, I got time on them. I got theta for now on my side, so we'll see.
Yeah, so Matt Moxie, like I said, I only use it for SPY. And if you join the stream, I mean, it's $100 a month. So if you can afford $100 a month just to see the gamma levels, and not saying you can or nothing, but if you want to spend that, that's all I use it for, is the gamma levels. And I use it to look at the SPY calls because I don't need to look at anything else. I'm not an option trader anymore. And when I was an option trader, the only thing I traded was SPY. So it was like,
yeah,
everything else was irrelevant. Should I do it? Should I do it? I think I'm gonna do it. 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 If I'm wrong, I'll take a small loss. Put my
all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Man, shoot.
Okay, so never mind. No momentum.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Snow has had losing months the last 4 years for February, March, and April. It pumps in June. So the real Iraq said that it usually pumps in June and July.
Oh damn! So maybe I am about to get clapped on them. That's all right. If they could just move a few dollars, all I need I just need one good green day.
That's what I'm talking about, NQ. Buy it up, baby. Buy it up.
Bastards.
This is what the price action we want to see.
They killed Kenny.
He says, then you hedge your positions with ATM puts with half the credits you received. Because the way you taught me to control big positions and maximize profits buying equities, then selling them 3 months out of the money contracts with a 20 to 25 delta, so you make money regardless. Stock goes up or down. Yeah. Yeah, options, like, but options, when you sell options, you make money. Buying options is the gamble. Yeah, shit. Yeah, I said the same thing. He's good. If you hold on to him, they'll probably work out. It just probably won't be this week. Well,
yeah,
this week's about to end. It probably won't be today.
No. I ain't. Yeah, because they are like pushing this thing. They're keeping it here. They're pushing it down, actually. Like where everything's up on NQ, they are pushing this thing down.
Yeah, and a good mentor for options, if you're an option trader, look at what is that place called? Tasty Trades. They got like, dude, I spent all that money on option courses, and then they had it for free on their damn channel this whole time. Dude, I was so pissed. I was so pissed. And they have great graphics, great videos. They explain it well. It's beginner friendly. I was so pissed when I spent all that damn money on all those Furu option courses when it was high level education online for free. So if you trade options, yeah, Tasty Trades, and then they got their own website to where they got all their broadcasts, all their old broadcasts talking about the same thing. I mean, they're so good at it, people use their terms. Like iron condors, butterflies, and stuff like that. Those are Tasty Trades terms that people use. I think they even said it in that show Billions. So that's how you know they're legit. Billions even use their term. So keep that in mind, people. Don't pay for these option courses. Tasty Trade has high level option courses online for free. For free. Says, oh, I love Tasty Trades and Tasty Works. Yep. That's my option broker. Yep. I still got like $10 in that account. I still got $10 in that account just to keep it open. It's like $10 sitting in that account right now. They sent me some tax for it. I was like, dude, you ain't about to tax me on no damn $10. Get that out of here. Get that out of here.
Oh, that's funny.
Yep. Yeah. Tasty. You know, I love Tasty Trades, man. Tasty Trades. Love it. But it's just a shame I don't trade options anymore. Because I found my new drug, baby.
The NQ.
Found the NQ.
I found the
Yeah, I probably might get stopped out of this trade. Yeah, I'm probably still gonna get stopped out of this trade. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yo, if she does this, dude. Actually, I'm gonna start a rule because usually around 10:30, this is when I stop disregarding structure and just hop into trades. I was talking to Smith about this. That yeah, I'm gonna probably stop taking trades around 10:30.
And I don't blame you because
yeah, mentally I'm exhausted. This price action is exhausting. Yeah, I still got my cash account. I had so many accounts going to what's that thing called? That pattern day trader with the cash because I kept using because I didn't know that if you use money and it hasn't cleared, they only give you like 5 tries with that. I forgot what it was called. You bitch. She stopped me out for no damn reason, man. Ugh. Yeah, I kept doing that. Honestly, what I should do is just limit into this probably. Want to get into it. Then you already know how the NQ goes. She want to pump up. Yeah, good faith violation. Yeah, yep. I got hit with those so many times. I got like 20 accounts. I had about 20 accounts with them. Cash accounts because I kept doing that. Okay. So let's see which one she hits first. So I'm gonna keep a tight stop on this. I'm not gonna put any real risk on this trade. This is gonna be my last trade if it fails. It's gonna be my last trade. This is a small red week for him. Minus 28 was up 24. Mentally upset, but yeah, I mean that's what trading is, man. That is definitely what trading is. No way. Yo, no way.
what?
Yo, no way.
Oh, what happened? Oh.
She said, "Nah, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that."
Oh, you were trying to get in.
That.
Were you trying to get in short?
Nah, that was a long, dude. And then she does that.
I didn't see. I thought you had a limit to go short or something. She missed you.
She stopped me out, baby. She stopped me out just to go higher. That's why you can't keep a tight stop, man. I keep saying this, but I don't want to put no real risk on these trades because I mean we're so high up. The momentum is
Yeah.
still bullish, but she's doing this low volume price action, getting stopped out of winning trades.
Oh yeah, Andrew.
You
Yeah,
saw she wicked me out. You saw how she wicked me out. But
I'm about to close this though. I don't trust it anymore. I mean, I want to see it. I was short, but it was a. I'm about to close it.
yo, congratulations to Live Trading. He said that he's about to request a 40K withdrawal. Congratulations, dude.
From who? Apex. I'm closing
Apex,
that
yep.
out. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Nice.
Or
Hopefully they don't try to ban you for making profit, taking profit from them.
it's like, oh, hold on. We paid him. We're paying him how much? How many accounts you got? Is that like just 1 or 2 accounts, or is that across 20 accounts?
Shit, I think that might have been it to go a little bit higher. I think they want to get, man. What if they get to
Oh, you got 20
50
accounts? Okay.
50s and then dump? If they do that, get to 50s and then dump. I'm talking not no stair step dump. I mean elevator dump. But I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. How did ES react to that? What did ES do just now on that? Okay.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna call it right here. I'm done. Let's see how I did today, guys. Let's see how I did. Let's see how I did. Let's see how I did. $800. I only made $800 today. $800. Ugh.
So it got to 208, but then bounced.
Yeah, but this is what I'm looking at right now. Actually, let me turn this off. This is what I'm looking at. This actually might be going down. We'll see, though. I think, well, I'll probably come back in later on in the session. Probably might come back in later on in the session.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Everything's too low right now. Like movement, volume,
Yeah.
it's too low. Nothing real is happening right now. It's kind of just playing
No.
around.
It's definitely not. Yeah, you can see they're selling off the top of this trend line. So, yeah, don't let nobody tell you that shapes and patterns don't work, because you're seeing them play out live. Don't ever let nobody tell you that shapes and don't tell yourself that neither, because they work. They're selling off the top of this trend line right here. You can see that they was doing it here, and you see it. Perfect trend channel. We got a breakout. We got a retest, and price started to trend up. These channels work, baby. They work.
It's about to go for 50 now.
Think so?
I think it got enough juice to take it to whatever. I'm gonna try it. Why not?
Dude,
It's risky. I know it's risky, but whatever. Show me something, man. Q. Show me something.
That's so risky. Like it's so like
super risky. Show me something, man. Q. Show me.
Am I trying to just get into something right now?
Yeah, just like me. Just getting in just to get it. No real plan for this. Just because I want to see it hit 50 and crash.
Look at a book map and see where people got their orders. I mean, people got their baby.
Don't get left behind. I mean, but look at all this crap right here. Like that's This is like nasty up here. Oh, let me see.
Hopefully, with all this news out the way, hopefully the price action can get good. Hopefully.
That's like downward pressure right there on the 5-minute. Yeah.
I mean, so right now they're trying. I mean, you can see it. Like it's right here, people. They're trying to find support at the top of this trend line. They're trying this trend. Yeah, this is a trend line. It's a trend channel, but trend line. They're trying to find support here, but
45
they can't.
or 44.87
They're having
take
trouble.
profit. Yeah.
Like it's just one of those things where it's like, well, it's too bullish to sell, but it's too high to buy. How do, like
I hate saying that. I hate saying it because remember we were saying it was too high to buy last time, and then it runs like 200 points, and we're like just sitting there in awe, just shocked.
So it's like, so what do we do in situations like this? Because logically, you're like, well, if it's too high to buy, you sell it, but then it's too bullish to sell. So what do you do? Sit on your hands? But if you're sitting on your hands, at what point in time does the move happen? When does the move happen?
Right.
And when is the right time for me to get back in? Because right now it's looking like it wants to go short, but we know better than that. We know better than that.
It does look, I'm not gonna lie, it does look like all of this up here is nasty, like resistance that build up. So it does look like it wants to go short. But I know better than to fade these bulls when they're I think it might go down just a little bit more to collect.
You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do, people? I'm trying to get into something. I'm just trying to get into something. I think this is a bearish move down, man. I'm trying to get into something.
Ooh.
I'm gonna sell this, baby.
Ooh.
I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it. Put my stop at the top of this candle. No, dude. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know how to be a bear.
You know what happens when you get on the bull's bad side.
The Cubs don't eat, baby. The Cubs don't eat. Says I think I'm gonna go short. 210 is actually a pretty good place to short. If it does break this low, you already know what's beneath these lows, man. You already know. We all know what's beneath these lows. They're gonna break it. They're gonna probably find support, probably at this 200 EMA, and then that's where you sell it right here. When it comes right back to test this range,
the bulls
that's when you sell it.
They got their take profits sitting in the 40s though. They want to take profit into the 40s at least. That's what the bulls want. The bears.
But I ain't switching sides, man. I'm just trying to get into something, man. That's it. I'm just trying to get into something. I'm trying to see what the NQ trying to get into, baby. I'm trying to go short.
It is looking bearish. It is looking bearish as heck though. This build up, yeah, it is. I can't even hold y'all.
We see the lower lows here, baby, but let's see. Okay, so if it breaks this high right here, well, actually, if it breaks this high, it's invalidated.
Ooh.
There's so much money that's sitting at 42. Shorts are invalidated above this level. But if it gets above these levels, in my opinion, you still good for a short. I think this is a short, man. I think this is a short. This is a short. And Q, I'm trying to get into something, baby. Just hurry up and do it.
I'm gonna put my
Alfred, I'm not switching sides, man. I'm not switching sides, man. I'm not switching sides.
I'm gonna put a limit at 210
to go short. I mean, I would wait. I mean, you know how they're gonna do it though. They're gonna break 210 and retrace. I would try to get in at 210, 213 on that retracement. You know they're gonna do it like that.
They may try to go for that previous high.
Is that 242, 30.25 is the high right now. All right, so this is what I see though. We see that the bulls are trying. The Bulls are definitely trying, but this is how we know they're trying. Look at the EMA sloping up. I mean, well, obviously this one's gonna slope up. It's just catching up. But look at these EMAs slope up. If the EMAs were like this, if they were flat, then I was like, okay, they're gonna probably fail here. But the EMAs are still floating up. So until these EMAs flatten out like this, and that's when we know that the Bulls are getting exhausted. They're currently trying right now to buy this off the almighty 21 EMA right now. They're trying to buy it.
Gain weight said, "What makes it too high to buy? Asking for a friend." Oh wait, Gain, wait. That means you hit your target. Didn't he have an 18,200 target? 18,200.
I don't know where you see gain weight. I didn't see gain weight in the chat. I don't see him.
Gain weight. Hop into NASDAQ Anonymous channel stream.
Oh, he's in yours.
Yeah, I pulled up a stream just to get the recording of this stuff.
Mm.
But he said, asking for a friend. You hit your target, 18K 200. Now what he's still back to his original now. He probably want to see, was it 19,999. 20K NQ, baby. Hey, I was long. I mean, I'm still in the longs, but
yeah, you see it, man. You see it, but
I do. The high was 45. Okay.
Yeah, okay, I see it, dude.
I see them one.
I see it.
It's like, but it's like, don't fade the bulls on this. Don't fade the bulls on this. Yo. How many points are we up on the day? Oh, we only up 160. Oh, can we see? Would it be crazy to see this? Or at least two. Let's worry about this first. But would it be crazy to see this?
See what?
I don't want to say it because then it'll be out there. I'm just pointing to it on my chart. I got the line on my chart. Would it be crazy to see this level today? How much time we got left? It's almost I don't know, because lunch, they might come in at 11 to try to dump this. And then they might try to do it at the... Don't tell him, Alfred! Don't tell him. You told NQ my plans. Now she's not gonna do it. They might come back at the end of the day and do it. Crazy is 19K. Yeah.
Hold on real quick.
Hold on 1 second. Got you. I think it's in the description, but I got you. Got you. 250, 102, 102 orders. Shoot, where did I just go? Oops. Alright, where's my... It's 1050. Okay, so yeah. Don't come in there. Yeah, I said I was gonna trade London too, but I didn't. So So I'm a little upset I didn't get to get in at London on the action. No, I could see that. I could definitely see a 20K, especially if this AI thing keeps going and these different companies make breakthroughs in AI, because people calling it a bubble, but I think it's the real deal because there's a lot of utility to it. There's so much different things. I don't know if it's a now you got like um what happened with Google. I guess they had a showcasing of their AI, and then I didn't read the full article, but I think it was like they asked it like a doomsday question or something. If anybody saw that, they asked it a doomsday question like, "Would you, if the world was gonna get nuked or something, and then but in order to save the world from ending, you'd have to it's something gender related. You'd have to call somebody outside of their gender or what they wanted to be called or what something like that." And then the AI was like, "No, even if the world was ending, it would be wrong to call them outside of their gender or something like that." I was dying laughing at that. Like, what? To save the world, this AI would not misgender somebody. I thought that was hilarious. I thought it was hilarious. Not gonna lie. And Sherm, you just missed. You just missed what I was talking about. Dang, 16.5 to see 16.5 to test to get to 20K. Dang, bro. What kind of question? It was somebody. It was on Twitter. Like Elon posted it, like a screenshot of it. Somebody asked. It was Google's AI, because you know everybody's coming out with these.
Okay.
It wasn't Open AI. It was Google. It was Google's version of the AI, and they asked it, if the world was ending, would you would you save the world if you had to misgender somebody or something like that? Something like that. And then the AI was like, "Nah, it would be wrong to misgender." Like, you would not save the world. And I think their price dropped off of that. It was funny. And then of course Elon shared it on over on Twitter. Oh, it was hilarious.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What up, Falco? You taking the
What's
short
up, game weight?
taking the short at yeah. I pinned. Hold on, let me pin it. I pinned your channel or your stream to and I told people to go hop in that one. This is just for me recording. Getting it recorded here. Falco trying to take the 275 short. I'm trying to get out at 260. Trying to get out at 260. But now let me redo this here. Let's put it. Let's put that.
But
there.
look at this though. Look at this. The support off the trend line. Let's see if they find support right here at 30, man. Because now this could be resistance turning into support.
At
Hell
30.
yeah, man. Hell yeah. Gain weight. Shit, I know the Bears. Shit, they scrambling to talk about, damn, how we gonna feed our Cubs this month? We gave this shit up. We had it, and we gave it up. Yo, look at that shit though. Like, that is crazy. Like, they had it. Well, actually, technically, no, they never had it. Look at the. Technically, price has always been in a bull market. It's always been in a bull market. It's like, no, this is a bull market. It's like, hold on, is this a bull market? No, it always has been. Look at this. Look at this. You get this big move down, but you're still making higher highs. It's always been a bear market, baby. Or a bull market. It's always been a bull market.
Insane.
Once we got this dump the first time from all-time highs, they found support. Higher highs, baby. And
Let's go. Oh shoot. Damn it. I missed that. Let's go, Big Bear AI. Keep pumping, baby. Keep pumping. That must hit almost 390. Yo, I gotta check my calls, baby.
Man, dude, I was like, hold on. Are you looking at two different charts? Because I know you ain't just do nothing just now.
No. I'm looking at my calls, man. I'm looking at my calls.
Yo, I know everybody in the chat was like, hold on.
They're like, wait, what? What? Why are you so excited? My calls, baby.
I know the NQ ain't. I'm looking at the. I'm looking at NQ.
And Snowflake.
Remember when we was at You said what?
I was just gonna say, Snowflake just keep pressing this thing down. They will not let Snowflake breathe, man. The high of the day for Snowflake was 194.
I mean, you had that big drop candle, dude. You're not gonna get like, dude. You gotta wait. You got like, dude.
I
you
know,
ain't getting that from them calls
I got
today.
time on it. I got time, but I'm just saying, like, it's everything else is green. We up. Hold on, let me see. We up 160 points on NQ right now, and they struggling. My dog Snowflake struggling.
Man, Snow should be with the Russell. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be there with the NQ. The NQ stocks it should be there with the Russell. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I really don't even know what kind of company Snowflake is, honestly.
I think it's a cloud. I think cybersecurity, all that jazz. I don't know. But I wonder if do we ride this up like that? That would be love, honestly.
I mean, okay, so the real Iraq says cybersec. Okay. Yeah, I mean, let's see if they try to find. I think a better entry would probably 226. But this is one of those things where it's like, man, I don't know, man. I just don't know. We keep making all-time highs. We've made NQ has made all-time highs once,
hold on,
twice, 3, 4 times in the last hour.
Hold on. Remember what I said? Put the take profit at 49? Cause she goes stop short of 50.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Let's talk about that.
I think 50 might be it, dude. I think you trying to go for 60? 50 might be it, man.
I mean,
like, dude, without no retracement, this is like a hold on, listen, dude.
Without a retracement.
Without a retracement, this got to be at least a 200% move.
But ask yourself,
where's my 0 point?
Where has been?
Yeah, this is a 200% move right here.
Where have there been
from 145 up is a 200% move? So what?
Where have there been any real retracements today? If you're looking back, I'm talking real retracement.
I mean, it's at 4 o'clock. That's it.
Yeah, at 4 o'clock was, but nobody
actually
back here.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo, we're up almost 600% right now. I'm talking measured moves, people. Measured moves. A 600% measured move. And not the price itself, but the measured move. This one leg is up 600%. Said more.
You ain't seen that commercial? Kobe Bryant.
With Kobe?
Yeah.
More.
What the F does that even mean, Kobe Bryant?
Exactly.
Exactly. More.
Hey, that commercial goes over a lot of people's heads, man.
Yeah, it does.
It'll go over your head.
It does. Oh, should I add here?
No, I think this is it, bro.
I think
this is it.
I
think this is it.
Even if we do get okay.
Dude, this is it, bro. Don't add into this, man. This is it.
I don't know.
This is it. Man, and Q, I'm trying to get into something, baby. I'm trying to get into something.
If it gets to 220. All right, I'll set a limit at 215.75, but all right, let me see. Let me adjust this real quick to there. See if that holds up. Give me a little bit
In
more.
about like in 2 minutes, I'm going to go real quick. Hop into this meeting. But yeah, this might be it right here, man. I mean, I guess it could keep going, but everybody was trying to touch 50. There has to be a retracement, and under that 210 low, that shit is probably going to touch 163. If price gets under 210, we probably seeing 163 again. 170, 163.
63. Oof.
170, 163 in that area. That's my measured move, baby.
225.
Says, are you short or long? Man, Alfred, man, don't tempt me like that, because I feel like, dude, because I'm a counter trend trader, if I'm going short, it's only because I'm trying to counter the trend. But yeah, I think this is it. It's looking like the top. It's looking like the top for right now. I think everybody and their mama was trying to shoot for 250.
Of course. Oh yeah. Of course
Yeah,
they were.
that is my bread and butter. I like the counter trend. Like, just imagine being patient. Yeah, patiently waiting for a short that may not come. Now, we all know that the momentum was bearish early in the session. Look at all this money that you made counter trending, and then the Bears finally gave it up. The Bears finally gave that shit up. They got tired of trying. They got tired of trying, dude. Look at this. The Bears tried. They got their stops ran. The Bears tried again. And you can tell that with this stop run up, more Bears tried. Look at how many stops. I bet there was a bunch of late Bears shorting right here. They probably saw this candle right here and started shorting. Shorting right here. And look at all this. Look at all their stops getting used as fuel to push it up to the real market objective of 250. Of really 249. Yeah. But all right, guys. I got to hop into this meeting real quick.
Yeah. This thing, yeah, I don't know. It's tipping over, but I don't know. I feel like they would buy it up though. Do some adjusting to this because we getting finally selling off there, and then we got negative red delta coming in. I wonder where's VWAP at? We left VWAP a long time ago. Yeah, I'm gonna actually take that off and see where this goes. Okay. See how big of a drop we get, and we going into oh yeah, it's 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock Eastern. Yeah, they may try to take over, but I wonder. Let me see what they do at 196. 196 or 197, right where my limit is. Let me see what they do there. That would be 69. Okay. Like the Nevalate's better. Remember, I said it would be crazy to see this 300, 300. By golly, I think we can do it. I think we could do it today. $216. I mean, that's where I had my around where I had my limit the first time. Basically, at the bottom of this range right here, or the bottom of these candles. It seemed pretty stacked right here, but it could overextend as well. I want to see what we do. Let's go, Big Bear AI. Let's go. Get up there, baby. Cross that $4 threshold, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. Now you got some life in you. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, baby. Oh, I didn't even check my SoundHound call, like what I would have made all those calls if I hadn't sold it too early.
Yeah. Again, I told him not to sell.
Yeah, but you know, in the moment, I was looking at NQ, thinking of the market as a whole type situation. I was just like, yo, this shit's going down. It did go down, but it got bought right back up.
Look at that, man. So when I said that technical analysis is technical analysis, this is why you can't convince me to trade any other way. We got that big drop, and it found support at that low right here, 1836. Right at that low, you can see there's support here, right here. Look at this support. I don't even look at the charts pre-market. So when I saw this, and I was like, yeah, this is definitely going up. When I saw this, I just didn't think that. I knew price was going to go up, but I knew it was going to have some trouble right here. Yep, there she goes. There she blows.
So what, like
there she goes. It's like, now, if you want to be a bear, don't try to FOMO into this because it's going to possibly retrace and you're going to get stopped out. The best entry for this short would have been obviously 249. The second best entry in this short would have been 237, 240. You would have been up at least, you're up 20 points right now. Yeah, and the book map is seeing that the momentum has shifted on book map.
Are you showing red delta?
No, I'm not looking at the delta. The only thing I look at on book map is you see that chart that's on the far right hand side, and you can kind of see the momentum. I'm a momentum based trader, so if I see momentum, I'm trading. Oh, Mohammed said that's what he did. Well, you got in at 249 or 240. This is Apple getting smashed. Yeah, let's look at Apple, man. Well, I mean, we see them kind of buying it.
Yeah, I saw an article on Apple talking about how they're just going with they don't think for themselves anymore. They're not innovative anymore. They're just going with.
They're not.
Yeah, they haven't been for a while. They like, oh, we're gonna stick to this bread and butter of these stupid iPhones. Yeah, okay.
I mean, it really does take a lot of effort to think. it takes a lot of effort to think. Oh, God damn, Apple. God damn, Apple is like that. Yo, I think like people just be randomly was like, okay, so let's pick a stock to attack today. Let's pick on Apple. we already done with Tesla.
That's super true.
Let's pick on Apple now.
I feel like that.
Yeah,
too.
Apple's not innovative enough, even though they're $1 trillion company. Yeah, let's start selling them.
Let's pick on them.
Yo, the market is crazy, man. Let's look at these calls, man. I mean, let's look at these options, man. Look at Apple.
Big Bear AI call options doing work right now. Let's go. I got an average cost of 37 cents. That's $37 per contract, baby.
So the 80 strike. So you can see that they're selling calls. I mean, they're buying a little bit of calls. But I mean, like I said before, a lot of this could be People buying their way or selling their way out of their positions. But if I see a bunch of calls being written, I'm just going to keep it simple. And Apple's going down. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it simple.
Apple. Fucking Riot. Yeah, you piece of crap. I'm gonna need Bitcoin to.
Damn, man. But so Apple might actually find some support right here. Usually with these gamma levels, from what I've seen, they usually go to the biggest one. And right now, this is the biggest gamma level on Apple. I wouldn't be surprised if it finds support right here. I wouldn't be surprised.
Let me take a look at Apple. Where Nvidia sitting at right now? Okay,
Man,
still same spot we looked at like an hour ago. 816.
Yeah.
Apple.
Dang, I should have took it long. See, this is why I know the Bears are crying right now, dude. I know they're crying right now.
Yeah.
I know they're crying. Like, dude, you can't be a bear. This is a one-way market, and it's only going up. NQ is just making new highs every damn minute, every hour. New highs, new highs, new highs. So now it drops lower to 110 for him. You talk about Apple gain weight? This is Nvidia carrying the low by itself like always. Yep.
I see
Overpriced
you.
Vision Pro boxes. You know, yeah, I mean, if they drop the price to 2K, I think that's reasonable. But I will give it to them though. That environment feature on those pros, yeah, I would get one just for that.
I think it costs the estimated cost for that is around like 1,500, and so I think they at least wanted to double their. I think that's why they got it. Yeah, why they got it at so high. I was reading, yeah, the estimated cost to build that thing is like 1,600. And the most expensive is like the display and the sensors. So that's why it's priced so freaking high.
And it's Apple too, so I mean it's not.
Yeah, and it's Apple.
It is Apple. It just works, baby. Yeah, like I said, hold on, I think my daughter's crying. Is she crying? What the hell is she crying about? Oh.
Alright, what time is it? Hey, it's 11:14. I gotta get it going, do some stuff, but I'm gonna let this trade play out. I wonder if we can get to 300. Wonder if we can get to 300 today. There we go. Blast off is party time. We finally broke the 50 into the 50s for real, for real. Sherm, are you missing? Are you in it? Are you in anything?
Nah, I wish I was.
Damn.
And the Bears can't even eat. All new all-time highs.
Yep.
I think the conversation for all-time highs in NQ is just irrelevant at this point. It's just gonna keep making them. The Bears can't feed their cubs at all. But I think this might be it. I think so. It touched 50. We got it above 50. We'll see. Because, yeah, we're up so high without no retracement. I mean, why is everybody buying like this? What news came out?
They know something.
Like, what news came out? This is some Nvidia's having a second earnings call, and they talking about they made a mistake the first time, and they're actually not a $1 trillion company, but a quadrillion dollar company.
A quadrillion
billion dollar company. They got all the money in the world.
A quadrillion dollar company.
Says Market Edge, says FOMO. Yo, says Gameway says nah, he's gonna short $1 off from 20K, 19,999. That's when he'll short.
That's hilarious, actually. That is too funny. I'm gonna keep my stop tight now. And whatever happens, happens. I know it's gonna stop me out before
Dude,
going higher. Actually, I'm gonna put this
man,
here
this
at
keeps going
300.
up. Like, dude, I give up because man, might let me just get in some target would have got hit.
Yeah.
Should have kept it. Epic short, yep. I'm just trying to get into something, baby. That's it.
Try to get into something.
I'm
60s.
trying to get into something.
They want the 60s now. They definitely want to
Dude.
take profit in the 60s now. And the Bears just want to. They just want to get. They want 42. You're not gonna give them 42.
Huh.
55. Yeah, they want them 60s. But we say, no, you're not getting to the 42s. We're not getting up to the 40s. No.
Nah.
That's when you gotta tell them, no. Sit down, Bears. Get clapped.
Says, but we got cubs to feed.
We don't care about that. Us Bulls don't care about
that.
We just want to pull back.
We just want to pull back.
We just
want to pull back and chill, baby. That's it. We want to pull back and chill.
I'm gonna cut it right there. Yeah,
dude. I think this is probably gonna keep going up, man. Like, okay, let me look at this.
Yeah, I gotta keep going. I gotta go.
You can't even take a short and be comfortable.
No, you can't. You really can't. If you value,
you're sweating the whole time.
Buy the dips. Yeah, this is the more that Kobe was speaking of. That's right, Alfred. This is the more.
More. What does that even mean? Exactly.
More.
It means what it means, baby. It ain't good enough. When you revenge trade, that's when it makes sense. That's when that Kobe and Kanye commercial makes sense. When you revenge trading.
Look at her go. They want 60.
Yeah, I agree. It might as well. Yeah, might as well go to 300. Might as well. Just grinding. Man, dude. I had a freaking. She came back and stopped me out. The NQ is such.
Dang. I think that would have stopped me out anyway too. But yeah, I'm done. I gotta get going, guys. I got some stuff I gotta take care of. But this was a crazy day so far.
I wonder. What
you thinking?
I wonder. I'm not thinking anything. I'm just trying to see if I'm gonna see.
Oh, I didn't even see that they hit 50.
58.
58.
Yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna probably wait for a pullback. Well, I'm gonna see if we get this today. I think 163 might. If we get a pullback, we might see 160, 170-ish. If it passes 190, if it breaks 210, then we know it's going down. So no, let's do this in sequence. If we get a pullback and we get a strong close underneath 210, we're gonna get that pullback and they're gonna sell it there. Then once they sell it at 210, we might see it get to 170, 160. But that's if that happens. But this shit is still going up. Damn.
I should have held on to that. I'm not in it either. I closed out. Talk about it. I gotta go. Look at this shit.
Dude.
All right, yeah. Let me get out of here. Yeah.
Are you FOMOing the song?
I'm trying to see something, man. Q. I'm trying to see something. Yeah, I'm gonna get on up out of here.
I'll stay for 10 more minutes, people. I'm gonna stay for 10 more minutes. I'm gonna end the stream at 11:30.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Everybody in this one, go head over to Sherm stream. I'll post it again if y'all. It's pinned at the top. Pinned at the top.
Is this it? Is this it though? Is this it? Is this it? Look at this, dude. Look at this breakout. I mean, okay, so this is what I see. This is what I see. This is what I just saw just now. So let's see if this plays out. All right, well, let me get this tool first. So you see this? You see how first? What the? All right. You see how she was trading in the range right here? She's trading in the range. Dude, what the hell did I say? Okay, it's like, dang, where's she at? All right, so you see it's trading in a range, and we got this range breakout into what could be possibly
Alright.
resistance.
Oh, what did we get to? 263. Okay. Cool.
So
Alright, y'all.
so if oh crap.